Hey everyone, I'm Rajitha, working as an assistant professor of artificial intelligence and data science department in SNS College of Technology. Today, we're going to see about brute force bubble sort, which is a very basic and easy sorting technique used in analysis of algorithms. Sorting means arranging data in a particular order, usually ascending or descending. In many real life applications like marks list, phone contacts, or price list, sorting is very important. Bubble sort follow the brute force approach, which means it does not use any smart optimization. Instead, it checks all possibilities in a simple and direct way. Because of its simplicity, bubble sort is mainly used for learning purpose, not for large real-time applications. So, what is brute force? Brute force is a simplest problem solving technique in algorithms. It works by trying all possible solution without skipping any steps. In brute force, um, there is no shortcut, no optimization, no advanced logics. The algorithm simply follow a step-by-step method to solve the problem. This approach is easy to understand and implement, but it is usually slow when the input size increases. Bubble sort is a perfect example of a brute force algorithm because it checks every adjacent pair again and again until the list becomes sorted. So, core concept of bubble sort. The main idea of bubble sort is very simple. The largest element bubbles up to the end of the list in each pass, just like air bubbles rise to the top in water. The largest value moves slowly to its correct position. Bubble sort works by comparing two adjacent elements, swapping them if they are in the wrong order, repeating this process until the list is sorted. This logic is easy to understand, which is why bubble sort is often the first sorting algorithm thought of to students. How bubble sort works step by step. Let us understand how bubble sort works in a simple way. The algorithm starts from the first element of the list. It compare the first element with the next element. If the first element is greater, it swap them. Then it moves to the next pair and repeats the same process. At the end of the first pass, the largest element reaches the largest last position. This process is called one pass. After the first pass, the largest element is fixed. It will not move again. The algorithm then starts the second pass, ignoring the last element and places the second largest element in its correct position. This continues until all elements are compared, no swaps are needed, the list becomes fully sorted. So multiple passes in bubble sort. Bubble sort requires multiple passes to complete sorting. First pass, largest element goes to the end, and the second pass, second largest element goes to its position. Third pass, third largest element gets fixed. The number of passes depends on the number of elements. If there are n elements, bubble sort may require n minus 1 passes. Even if the list is already sorted, bubble sort still performs comparison, which makes it inefficient compared to other sorted methods. Time complexity of bubble sort. Now let's talk about performance. Bubble sort has worst case time complexity, big O of n square when element are in reverse order. Average case, big O of n square, random order. Best case, big O of n, already sorted list with optimization. Because bubble sort compares elements again and again, the number of comparison increases rapidly when the input size grows. So bubble sort is not suitable for large data sets or time critical applications. So advantages of bubble sort. Bubble sort has some advantages. Very easy to understand, very easy to implement, requires simple logic. Good for beginners and learning. Because of these reasons, bubble sort is widely used in classrooms and labs to explain sorting concept. Limitations of bubble sort. Very slow for large data, high number of comparison, poor performance compared to other sorting algorithms, not used in real world applications. So bubble sort is more of a learning tool than a practical solutions. So bubble sort, even though bubble sort is inefficient, it plays a very important role in education. It helps students to understand basic sorting concept, learn algorithm step clearly, and understand time complexity, compare brute force with optimized algorithm. Bubble sort act as a foundation for learning better sorting techniques like selection sort, insertion sort, merge sort, and quick sort. This is a mind map for brute force bubble sort. Thank you.